have CFO of that land? Do you have CFO of the land? I hope you have been paying your ground rent. No. You see the problem I find out in this country is that what is the ground rent? How much is it? Maybe 200,000 naira a year. Nobody will pay. And then you want me to do road. Where will I get the money to do the road? There's no way I'm getting money. People talk about, you see, people we are too sentimental. Everything is politics, religion, ethnicity in this country. Look at the party called PDP that was in government for years. Where you have Wadata House, it's not even in their name. It's in the senator's name. Now, when the land department were printing out those who have not paid, is one senator, Salma to what, who lives in Kaduna, who have not paid for 23 years. And unknown to me. So it was now published. Then I said, I revoked PDP's CFO. Ask them to show you the document if it bears the name PDP. Nothing. Maybe they have had a deal with the man, but did not complete the assignment, whatever. So what's my business? Meanwhile, when you are collecting money for sale of farms, you make 12, 13, 20 billion. But to go and pay for 20-something years, ordinary 7 million naira, they won't pay. They want government to do roads. And then you come up to say, oh, they sent me to revoke it. So that I will kill opposition. I mean, what kind of mentality is that? I'm the one, they sent me to tell you not to pay for 20-something years. So what I'm trying to say is that if you don't pay, I will revoke it. And when I revoke it, I will take possession immediately. It's our land. Because I need money to do all these roads. It's not my blood. It's not my father money. I have to do the roads. So the loan said because I'm a bank, I'm a land bencher, take it. If it's that one, take the land bencher back. I will revoke the land. Go and pay. If anybody does not pay, forget it. Because we can't continue this way. Nigerians like free things. We like free things. Nobody, you are living in a house, you have a CFO, 200,000, 100,000, a year, not even monthly. You won't pay. Then when government comes, oh, you have not paid. Oh, because I'm not happy with him, that's why I came to revoke him. What's my business? I'm not happy with him. And I didn't pay. I revoked it. Central Bank, I've been begging. That's okay. What I need is money, go and pay. If you pay, I will bring it back. So it's not, it has nothing to do with anybody's sentiment. So please, I beg you. So I won't say, as a life bencher, how can I be there? And I will, no. That's, so please, sir, because the way we are going now, we have been aggressive. Our budget is 1.7 trillion. And I asked, where will you get the money from? You are not oil city. It's only taxes. If people pay, we have no problem. And I can assure you the money will be used very well. By May, look at the International Conference Center. You are the last person who did the occasion there. The president inaugurated ECOWAS Parliament. It was an eyesore, embarrassment for a country like this. They gave it to one politician, one senator, making money and killing the place. When the president said, look, how can we allow this? Even there was no light. I'm not talking about it was terrible. So I shut it down. And I said, look, we have to bring it back as what happened? Oh, because it's from so place. Oh, you belong to social religion. I said, as if you like. It's not my, say whatever you want to say. I've shut it down. Then I went to court. I said, that's not my business. So our property, they gave you to manage it. You are making the money. You will not provide the basic things. But go and see what will happen in May. Go to that place now. See what Jonas Berger is doing. Are we born not to like good things? I mean, everything must be free. How do you maintain it? As we're handing it over this May, if you want to use that place, there's no sentiment. Go and pay the money. But it's the money they will use for it. And I said, look, beggar will have to have an agreement with you. You will be maintaining the place. Who will be paying you? There's nothing politics about this. Go and bring one politician, and then you will be killing the place and sucking. And then when you say, no, this is not because it's not from my area, because it doesn't worship the same place, all kind of things that we do every time. Somebody's not doing the right. He said, no, you have to do the right. Oh, because I'm Igbo, because I'm Yoruba, because I'm Hausa. I mean, what had I got to do with he didn't do the work, he said, because you are this, you are that. It should not be done. And some of us will not accept that. Not accept that. Not accept that. Whether you're a Muslim, whether you're a Christian, whether you don't believe in God, you must do the right thing so that we can move. Every time we go overseas, we were happy. But where have you seen this road? Is it Angel that's doing it? Is it Angel? It's not human. Why can't we do? At least come closer, even if we won't do to that level. Let it be seen that if a whole country like this cannot have an international conference center where people can come from overseas and you are happy, that they are happy. What kind of thing are we doing? So these are things we should please try to emulate and, put our feet down and do it. It is very, very important. I went to one state, I won't call the state. I went to they are trying one former governor, FCT, then I went there. I went to that court. I cried. I said, you have a governor here. And this is a court. Sir, to go to the toilet was a problem. I won't call the state so that nobody will. But it's embarrassing. And that governor is a lawyer.